This man and his wife, I assume, have traveled from South America with 3 small children. In my world, that is what we refer to as bat it crazy. Anyway, let's show you the screen. You're gonna have to excuse there's it, Unreal Fendi. Fire up, there we go. And what does she tell you? External temperature, compasses. Just got to find itself quickly. Then we've installed a little button here. Push the button, we go to another screen. Coolant temperature, cylinder head temperature, battery voltage, oil pressure, engine load,